addiction. Can you not think over today? All these people are Bugole case study that me and you, I need them up to wine out. Can I say yes? As no money in this thing. One person out of 2 person go family wise, your cousin, extended families, in when somebody they take they addicted and they take go. Can you the solution in way to them? All this type of clip, can be screen record or you play for those type of people. Oh, na bogu today na feeling obu guy man. Oh, na bogu can go say the state of mind. Oh, na bogu obu na na agba. Oh, na chaya starting from Igbo we low na A level of ogu. Everybody they take those things they believe no how wabu guy. Na game one na they take ya blog guy, but can break is here the news for you. Game one they take ogu today na ebu guy. Igbo mugu. Igbo the highest mugu no one mugu because first of all they love lo nwegi. Secondly, send all your health. Thirdly, mala anything about the consequences of it in a face. And that drug, most of you people, you guys know ya take him and all go 60 years. Agwagi ki imalu onyango de some of you people, imalu no di keba na ya shaiya. Some of you people, imalu no di keba na ushi deti. Omole organ de na alu no na alu, but you are just seeing yourself ni bi ofuma. In a phone we need be ofuma, in a phone we need the healthy, but it not healthy. And we are now underlying condition. And we are now underlying condition. Write it down. Underlying condition abo. In problem today. Somebody buy money anobu before. Somebody money anobu before we cancer. The time I talk treat the cancer. A bido came maybe a chemotherapy. The immediately bido that chemotherapy. Lungs are short or down due to USLS. As lungs cannot control, our lungs are padomulo the chemotherapy. All because of lungs failure. All because of lung failure. Remember, mbone say year before, lungs are bubble problem. Mbone say year before, lungs are bubble problem. But immediately, the treatment concern a different thing. Lungs are short or down. How do you gamble with your system? In my treatment, say Gano tomorrow, your lungs got short or down. Can wire lungs are short or down? Etienne a machine. Etienne a machine get help ya kone kume. Mbawane kumo nozi. The day we pull a machine now, or yabu when you lang. When you the nurse wessing na since ya on a machine now, no gown. Ni yala pull a machine now, call Balia webana dina congealed. Kobana congealed ne. Ke we make preparation. Osbana pati ajedi and apate. Ibu Ibonaka, Ibu Kananaka, Ibu Kolos, Ibu Loud Naki in a feeling Ibu Gaiman, one Ibu Mugu. You don't love yourself. From today on a page, if we love self-love, you have to practice self-love. I was there like you before. I thank God for my life today. I'm using it as a case study for you people. It's the high in Bob na Kanya Gine Mechi, impact concentration. Jeki check in Google what is the meaning of impact concentration. If not a mental problem, Kobo. Most of you people in our yala, mentally in our yala, partially, but in our yala. Because 70% of your day is intoxicated, 70 to 80% of your for 24 hours is the high. The rest of the hours is lola. Most of you people na the high, eat the toll in the high well lola. You've never been sober face a reality on your own. In a run away from reality. Ibu mugu. Ibu mugu. So many of you people, look at the condition of your kidney day. The condition of your liver. You may be imagine, so many of you people have not even sat down and think, Kediki ima alomode. How is inside of your body? The person in Nagoku, Obu Nemelia chemotherapy treatment, long say, all the okay, or believe you not the okay. But immediately below that treatment, that chemotherapy, long say, Anabo shout or down. You love Lomwegi. In a nene Davido, in a nene whiskey, in a nene all these people. It's an again a habian. Nobody, and when you know anybody in a share your destiny with. The day anybody gone was also that person gone. How you value yourself, it was value more than any person. How many years can Bob Marley live? How many years can Fela live? How many years can all the superstar? How many years can Michael Jackson live? Go and check about celebrities. Go and check. The likes of Justin Bieber now, JJK Yenemia. How many years can all this your favorite get live? Most of them na back when Hana did depressed. Most of them ne bu. Yes, can you think you are the same with them? Some of them they face with fame, but they cannot handle the fame. The influence and pass to you, they determine your lifestyle. Mugu. After all, the video nemia. After all, onya nemia. After all, onya nemia. Your excuse is something out of ordinary. I don't understand most of you people. You never sat down and think about how is my cake and my bronchitis there. Cake and my diaphragm there. Cake and my organs, sensitive things. Even I look at the very, very sensitive. Everything I look in they receive. Everything I look in they receive is either not to help your body or not to destroy your body. Two things cannot be true at the same time. Yes. Two things cannot be wrong at the same time. It's either anything in 18 I look today. It's either not to help again or not to destroy. But same kind is help again. Most of you people when you have a loss of memory because it blank it goes part of your brains. A man chetezi 5 years ago. A man well articulated. Some of you people say no much all can be sharp. Come on, make sure no so you might leave it. Maybe malagu mugu. I met a meeting a producer. Some of you people manana go manambe musician, manana degu. A meeting a producer and say why you know you may or not or say not because you need intoxicated. But you can do better without this thing. Because in a trade in your life with this thing, keep pursuing fame. You forget about your life. You will later get to that fame, but your life will not be with you. What are you trading your life for today? Are you trading your life for fame? What are you trading your health for? Are you trading your health for your friends? Or what, Tulia, does it worth it? Are you trading your life for fame, for your friends, for the people, for general opinion, for you to feel like you belong? Does it worth it? Many people are not too going to show Bodo nka too lego ka apana on immediately. Even with a man who had problem, a wolu machine, obodo wolu machine tinye nimobia. Etili no machine nimobia. Atwali gas a group, olu na Nigeria, approaching to Liego, the man passed away. On go. A move go on. A big boy on Israel. Can you now moon? People will clap for you and laugh for you when you feel like you are healthy. Ibukulana a liability today. Everything, every person will withdraw. Only few people will stay around. The next time people get a committee of friends for you. You are gone, you are gone. What a word. You don't love yourself. In a second, I love Lomwegi.